Located where the windpipe forks off to the lungs, it allows birds to produce more than one sound at a time. Which enables them to create such complex songs. Bird families number in the hundreds. To help navigate this massively diverse class, some common but broad groupings will help to identify the amazing variety of birds that inhabit our world. Songbirds can weigh as little as half a teaspoon of sugar and up to about 1.5 kilos, and are commonly known as perching birds, thanks to the layout of their grasping feet.